I'm Yoshinaga from EO Environmental Foundation. It's nice to see you again. Today, the long-awaited ASEP program will be launched. I hope you have a great harvest and enjoy the next 3 days. Now, I'd like to introduce the MC of today's opening ceremony, Mr. MAURICE from Universitas Indonesia.
Thank you, Yoshinaga-san. A very good morning to all of us, and welcome to the opening ceremony of the 9th Asian Students Environmental Platform, ASEP 2021. I'm EFROZA.MC on behalf of Universitas Indonesia and the organizing committee. I will be your MC today, and let's start our agenda. First of all, on this very bright morning, I would like to welcome our esteemed guests as following. The Most Honorable Mrs. Rosa Vivian Ratnawati, SH, MSc, the Director General for Solid Waste, Hazardous Waste, and Hazardous Substance Management of Ministry of Environment and Forestry of the Republic of Indonesia. Universitas Indonesia's Rector, Professor Ari Kuncoro, SA, MA, PhD. Aeon Environmental Foundation Executive Director, Ms. Yuriko Yamamoto. Representing WWF Japan and UNEPFI, the Chairman of WWF Japan, Mr. Takejiro Sueyoshi. All of the most honorable professors, staff, and students from the 9 participating universities representing their countries. Universitas Indonesia, representing Indonesia. Tsinghua University, representing Republic of China. Waseda University, representing Japan. Korea University, representing South Korea. University of Malaya, representing Malaysia. Royal University of Phnom Penh, representing Cambodia. Chulalongkorn University, representing Thailand. Vietnam National University, Hanoi, representing Vietnam. And the last but not least, University of the Philippines, representing the Philippines. And to all of the speakers, attendees, and even organizing committees that I cannot mention one by one. Welcome to ASEP 2021. I am glad to see you all online today and hope everyone is well. Now, let's move on to start the opening ceremony. First, a welcome remarks video message will be delivered by Ms. Yuriko Yamamoto, representing the organizers as the Executive Director of Aeon Environmental Foundations. Ms. Yuriko, you may go ahead for delivering your welcome remarks.